Here's a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. A striking compact SUV with flexible support for cargo carrying, carpooling, and comfortable commuting. It's well equipped with the features you need: new engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, USB port, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.